Yo, Nutriana here. So I'm back at here with a new banger today. But before we get into the video, guys, make sure you guys will follow me on my main account, Ginger Paisa. I have a screen recording here on the side. Also, at Nutrichannel 420 for new content coming up. But guys, beautiful day in Chicago. Let's get right into the video. Enough blabbering. Let's do it. Alright guys, as you can see, I hit on two of the Paris Germains right here, the fours. Really nice shoe, a limited edition. Really like how it looks, totally unique. I like the colorway. Also the only thing I did not like about this shoe, honestly bro, is the material on it. It honestly feels really cheap, and it looks like it didn't put a lot of work into it, to be honest. Yeah, but other than that, it's a really nice shoe, a dope shoe, really nice. But guys, you guys already know what I'm gonna do today. Look here, I'm gonna show you both of the boxes real quick. By the way, they're both size 10. This one and also this one, but I'm not gonna unbox this one. I'm gonna sell this one for sure. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do this. Look at that. See those laces? Not good. We don't like that. That look bad. No. That's a no. Alright, guys. So I'm going to swap them laces, guys. Look at that. As you can see here, I changed it to a black lace so I can pop out more. I really like how it looks. Look at that. It pops out more, makes the shoe pop out more, makes it look more unique. And also go with the black on there because the shoe also got black on it, so it's a good colorway, you know. But guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to lace the Air Jordan 4 because this actually is a really complicated shoe to lace up due to all these different designs to put on the shoe. But you know, it's pretty nice. It's a really nice shoe. Look at that. Go crazy. But enough blabbering. Let's get right into the video and I'm gonna teach you guys how to lace the shoe the right way. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I got both of the shoes right here. But before we lace them up real quick, I'm gonna show you the difference of how they come laced up. So this is the factory way how they lace them up, guys. You can see it looks really tight in general. Really tight. Not good. Not a good look. And then this one over here, I did it myself earlier. Like you can tell, I loosened it up. Looks more fresh. And this shoe, this Air Jordan 4, is usually really tight on your foot because it has like this elastic inside of it. So the shoe will be tight in general even if your laces are loose. So they look like this. Alright guys, let's get into the video. I'm gonna lace this shoe and lace it up the right way and teach you guys how to do it. Let's do it. Alright guys, there we go. Shoe's up close. I unlaced it, but I just left at this part. It's already measured out and everything, so I won't have to do that. But you know, for this step, you know, right here, the beginning, make sure this is nice and straight. And also, make sure the laces are the same length. And yes, they're already the same length. Alright, let's get to the process. So this is how you do it. Alright, every time you put it in, loosen up your lace. So what we're going to do right here is put at the top one. Like that. Top, see? And then loop around it. Every time you're doing this, fix your lace. Because then, if you don't, at the end, it's going to come on ugly and raggedy. The lace is going to be all over the place. I'm going to take this shoe out the way, make it easier for you guys. Have this right here. There we go. Okay. Same thing for this side. Boom. Boom. So this is the hardest part, not gonna lie. And make sure you go through the plastic design too, because that's what the shoe got to hold on better. There we go. And make sure it's nice and loose too. Not that loose, but loose enough, depending on your foot. Because you know, some people got skinny feet, some people got wide feet. Everybody got different feet, so you know, everybody fits different shoes differently. Okay, there we go. Same thing. Boom, perfect. And the last one. And this is the step for the bottom part of the shoe. There we go. Okay guys, and then I'm gonna show you something real quick. As you can see, mine are pretty loose and up a little bit. You can see like a little, what's called, you see like a little wave right here with the lace. See, that's how it looks. It kind of loosened up. Look at that, go crazy. Okay, and then for these 4 holes right here, this is some of the easiest parts to do. This is just regular. You just do it regularly. And then basically when we get to the top part, I'm gonna show you a different way. because everybody does it differently right here. So we're gonna do this easy part, guys. Same thing, just loop around it and make sure it's loose. So keep loosening it up when you lace up. So we got 4 holes to go up to, so 1, it's gonna be 1 right here. This is the right side. This is the other side over here. Got that. There we go, don't let it get raggedy. There we go, loosen up like this. A little bit, but not too much, you know. Keep it going, keep it going. Boom. Make sure it doesn't twist and stuff. Oh, see? And then go like that a little bit. See? Like that. Okay. Do this one. Same thing. Ooh, not too much. Go like this a little bit. There we go. Let's go to the 4th one. Well, this is the 3rd one actually. My bad. 3rd. Boom. Make sure it's nice and straight. Not crooked. There we go. And boom for this one. Go like that. Nice and straight. And boom. Yes sir, look at that, look at that. Turning out nice, turning out really nice. Next one. Boom. Boom. This over here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys get the concept. You guys see me do it like 4 times at the same time, so I'm pretty sure this should be an easy video to watch. There we go. Look at that. Now we did all 4 holes, as you can see. That's all 4 right there. Look at that. Look how it looks. That's how your shoe should look so far, right now. If you're doing it the same way I'm doing it. Alright guys. Now, for this last part, let me fix the camera a little bit. Gotta angle it. There we go. So guys, see this right here? We're gonna want to go to this hole right here at the top. Not the middle one, not the bottom one, the top one in the middle. We're gonna go to the top one in the middle. Same thing for over here, because we got holes right here too in the shoe. So you can see they connect. How they connect like that. Alright guys, so we grab this lace. Let me do the first one for you guys. So you guys see what we're working with right here. Go like this. Going through here. And then going to the top. Dang, why is this already put in? What the? There we go. That's one of them. Just do the next one. Same thing for this one. Put it in like this. Middle hole. Top middle hole. And yes guys, you're gonna have a little bit of excess lace because you guys haven't loosened it up. So what we do is, see all this lace right here? See all that extra lace right there we got? All we do is grab this, because we got it right here, see? Put a little bit of it, you know? Make it shorter. And we got all this excess lace right here, and then we got this. This is a good length right here. This is a good length. It's not touching the shoe or anything. It's all good like that. And then we got this excess lace right here, as you can see. Look at all this excess lace right here, just standing out. And all we do with this is just tuck it in on the sides. Make it look nice and straight, so it looks like it's just laced up. Woo! And there we go. Nice. Oh yeah. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I laced up these shoes in a different way. As you can see, I swapped them into the black from the white. But honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I really like the white lace due to the shoelace having a little gold tip on the side right here. It looks really cool, looks unique. Also, make sure they're not this long, just tuck it in a little bit more, so like this. Just, you know, pull it a little bit on the inside like I taught you right now on the video. Like that, that looks better. Way better like that, you know. But guys, I hope you guys found this video really helpful, how to lace up your Air Jordan 4s. Oh, you already know? But before we go, guys, make sure you guys follow my main account at Ginger Paisa. Also, go follow me at Channel 420 for new content coming up. I really appreciate it. And before we end this video, like, comment, subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. And have a nice day. Go Channel.